So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to delete your account on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the bottom right here on the main page to where it says Me and press on that. Once you're on the Me tab, scroll down to the bottom to where it says Settings right here. At the top where it says Moomoo account, press on that. Now, if you keep scrolling down to the bottom, it says delete account. You can go ahead and delete account just like this. It's now going to go into these settings right here. You have to verify your password, confirm, and then you can delete your account this way. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to delete your account on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.